for continuing to support this show. All right, where do we talk about in the remainder of the show?
Well, I think the design aspect where, so first off, design's being split. Like there is a UX guy and there is a hardware guy, and they are both reporting up to Jeff Williams. Who, and it's important to note at the same time there was also a new head of operations.
Yeah,
I think
I missed that yesterday.
Yeah, it's super important because as well. So I think it's wrong to say that design is now under operations. What is right to say is that Jeff Williams is the CEO, and I think that's actually a better way to frame what happened as opposed to well, he's not the operations guy. He is the COO, and just as Tim Cook was the COO, and Jeff Williams replaced Tim Cook to be the head of operations. Like now, operations is one of many things that Jeff Williams manages, as opposed to the thing that he manages.
Yeah, and he's been in charge of Apple Watch from the beginning.
And like in charge, like
right.
like he was like Johnny Ive reported to him, even though Johnny Ive not a huge Edition fan, he wasn't maybe in the place to. The idea, my point that I started at the very beginning, that I feel like anyone, you're not leading the organization. Like you like yes, they can come and talk to you and consult with you, but like it's intense. Being an executive for Apple is extremely intense, and if you are not in the middle of it, in the thick of it, every day, you are not.
Let me take a break here and thank our next sponsor, and I'm going to go, and then I'm going to go into a humble brag anecdote. So put a pin.
I get one. You get one.
Express VPN. Look, maybe you think no one wants to steal your data. Maybe you think hackers aren't looking at your data, looking at your network traffic. If you use public Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I think that's exactly right. And, you know, it's easier than ever before, I think, to see Tim Cook doing something else. I think his passion around this privacy issue, I could definitely see. Sort of becoming chairman of the board or something and becoming like a full-time advocate or for privacy in technology companies, you know, being against Google and Facebook and that sort of thing. He's constrained and limited in what he can do as Apple CEO, and despite the fact he's pushed the line as far as he absolutely can. And again, this is not a judgment call on either side saying it's good or bad, but it's clearly going on. It's something that clearly drives him and animates him. And I could